So this is a bit of a weird one. I'm doing some 3D printing. I recently got a new desk from my good friend Dave Tiberius. He's given me a new worktop for my desk, which is really nice. And I realised I didn't want to spoil it by putting down hot cups and spoiling the surface, so I'm going to print a cup mat. So I quickly knocked up a cup mat from an image that I happen to have lying around my desktop, because everyone has images on their desktop of their own face. So as you see here, it's just printing up the inside layer, the bottom layer, inside layers. I'm going up the stack, puts the layer on, puts my face on it, and then there's my face. Going to render that up to a bit of height, so the cup will rest on top of that. But what's weird is if I keep going up the Z layer, 18, 19, 20, 21, no layer whatsoever, then 22 fills in my face, and then 23 is back to normal, and then 24 put the colour of the hair in and finish it off.
That's not going to work.